Hi everyone, welcome to Mini's Art Space. Today I'm filling this page with lots of cute little doodle monsters. So grab a cozy drink, relax, and let's doodle together. Whenever I start a doodle page like this, I don't worry about making it perfect. I usually begin with one simple shape and let the drawing grow naturally from there. That's one of my favorite things about doodling. There's no pressure, every little line can become something fun and unexpected. I think for this doodle, the most important thing for me are the eyes. As soon as I add those big shiny highlights, the character suddenly feels alive. It's a tiny detail, I understand, but it makes such a big difference. As you will see, every monster will instantly develop its own personality, and that's when the page starts becoming really fun. Now I'm adding some textured horizontal lines to the bumps of this little cute figure that's there. I love this stage because it's where the character starts feeling more unique. A few leaves here and there, or a few hearts, or tiny texture, or even simple marks can make an otherwise plain shape feel much more interesting. As I add more characters, each one starts developing its own personality. Some look shy, some look excited, and some look like they're up to a little mischief. I am curious, what expressions do these little monsters have for you? Do they look happy? Do they look confused, excited, shy, or something else entirely? Do let me know in the comments. I would love to see how everyone interprets them. Now let's move to another layer of characters. As you can see, I am using the same big round eyes across all the characters, but it's amazing how much variety you can still create. Just by changing the shape of the face, adding a few details, or adjusting the position of the eyes, each character starts developing its own personality. And that's one of my favorite things about doodling. at this little monster's smile. I gave it these funny little teeth, and honestly, I think it makes the whole character much more lovable. If you are drawing along with me right now, thank you for spending this creative time together. And if you are simply watching and relaxing, I hope this doodle session is giving you a little moment of calm in your day. Sometimes it's nice to slow down, right? Put aside the rush of everyday life and just enjoy creating or even just watching something take shape one line at a time. Now let's see what other little characters decide to appear on this page. I love how this page is slowly filling up. Every time I think I'm done, another little character seems to find its way onto the paper. And that's the fun part about doodling. There's always room for one more tiny idea, tiny doodle. And now this little flower seems to have popped out of nowhere, and here comes the leaves too. This little doodle family is growing quite quickly now, right? Some of these characters look like they belong together, while others seem like they have wandered it from completely different worlds, and somehow they all end up sharing the same space. Funny to look at the page now and remember how empty it was when we started. Little by little, each character, pattern, flower, and detail found its place, and somehow everything feels connected. Do tell me, which doodle would you take home if you could just pick one? I really enjoy about doodling is how easily it makes me lose track of time. You start with a single character, add a few little details, then another character appears, and before you know it, you have spent an entire afternoon creating it. I think that's one of the reasons I find doodling so relaxing. It gently pulls my attention away from everything else and into the present moment. And honestly, I wouldn't mind spending a little more time with these quirky little characters. If you have stayed with me this far, thank you for being part of this doodle journey. We are almost at the finished page now, and I hope you have enjoyed watching these little characters slowly come to life. Let's add the final few details and see how everything comes together. If you enjoyed this relaxing doodle session, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Minnie's Art Space, and share it with someone who loves art and creativity. And here we are with the finished doodle. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next creative adventure. Bye bye.